Hi, I'm Greg Sanford, and today I'm going to be harvesting ground elder.
I moved to a new place in the late fall and waited to see what would come up around the house in the spring. Growing beside the house was ground elder. Ground elder is also called goutweed, but I prefer not using the epithet weed. They were running along the side of the house. Being an invasive plant, there was no issue with harvesting them hard. Identification. They often appear in colonies spread by rhizomes. An individual leaf grows from a single stem rising from the ground. Here's a leaf with all the leaflets. Each leaflet has a petiole, with the terminal leaflet having a longer petiole than the others. This ground elder in the picture has 3 leaves, with each leaf having 3 petioles, and each leaflet has a petiole. The petioles will have a cavity inside. Each leaflet will have none, 1, or 2 lobes. The leaflets of this leaf have no lobes. The left leaflet and the right leaflet are not symmetrical in this picture. The leaflets have coarse teeth. The leaf stems can be quite long, as you can see in this picture. The flowering stem will often lean in the younger plants.
So I have a suite of ground elder here next to this house that I'm going to be harvesting, and we're going to harvest it hard. The thing is, I can't harvest from the plants that have already flowered. These are about to flower, and this is the perfect window now to gather all from this. We're going to dry this for use in stocks and soups in the future. People try to get rid of these plants because they spread so easily and are so invasive. The rhizomes spread along the ground, and the plants will crawl to new places. Harvesting ground elder. Okay, there we have so far, and a lot more to go down there. The house is on a main street in a small town, but it's a major road that goes through this town. There are a couple of non-ground elder plants on the edge of this, but pretty much this whole strip is all ground elder. just check through it in case any other plants got mixed in. So this is pretty good because there were no other plants I saw growing in amongst these. The colony pretty much overran everything else. Okay, so I'm not gonna be very careful about this. Just get nutrition in my body. This is going to be very simple. So we'll just reduce it now. And it's going to be a tablespoon of water. Okay. That was about for a minute. That's going to be it for this. Okay. So I'll just eat these until they are consumed. Some water in there. Okay, here we go. Some ground elder soup.
Delicious. It's hard to describe what something tastes like because most things don't taste like anything else but what it is. And I had to say this about ground elder. Ground elder tastes delicious, but I can't compare it to anything else. Because of the strong scent and the strong taste of it, it really is delicious by itself with just some accompaniment like butter and salt.